Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change a cornering bulb in a Mark 7 Golf. The location for the cornering bulb is in here. The first step is to open this cap and it's just a twist. The cornering bulb is located over here. So over here, this is a pop fixture, so there's no spring retaining the bulb. All you do is just pop it downwards like that and then it's popped out. So now we just need to remove the connector from the bulb. So the process is just pulling it out. So when we're reinstalling the bulb, we just need to make sure the tab at the top, it is facing upwards when it's installed, so it goes into this direction. So now we're going to reinstall the bulb back in. So when reinstalling the bulb, we just need to make sure this tab is facing upwards and is straight as possible in the middle. And then when you hear that clicked in, that's when you know the bulb's installed successfully. Reinstall the cap. So the process is just to keep turning it until it falls into place. Just like that, and then twist and just give it a little shake to make sure it's nice and tight. Thank you guys for watching how to reinstall a cornering light for a Mark 7 Golf. Thank you.